Good morning, America. Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about a 2020 Heartland Sundance 273RL. It's a rear lounge unit, 32 feet from hitch to bumper, 27 feet and change floor plan. Great accommodations inside, a lot of stuff to speak to this trailer, and a lot of great quality for the build as well. You have electric stabilizer jacks for the front and rear jacks. It makes it really simple, really saves the arms and the cranking. Big, huge pass-through storage off the front with a lot of ability to just tuck things away, out of the way. You have magnetic latches for your pass-through doors and slam latches for your doors. Literally just let them go and they'll close themselves. It's really, really nice. Aluminum frame, fiberglass siding. It does keep the weight down. Especially for a trailer of this size. It can definitely be hauled with like an F-150 or even something that has like a 7,500 pound towing capacity. Really, really versatile trailer. You have a huge awning on the outside, covers most of your outdoor space here. You have some outdoor lights. You have a strip of LEDs across the awning itself. Plus you have your outdoor speakers. There's two entrances to this trailer. One goes into the bedroom, other one goes into the main room. Off the rear, a ton of windows inside. And what you get from having this extra door that enters onto the bedroom is you have access to your bathroom and you have access to your fridge directly through this door, even though the slide out comes in. Really big slide inside, a lot of accommodations there. So once that's in, if you need to pack while it's on the side of your house, or if you're pulling off the side of the road and you actually just need to use the restroom or something, you still have access to that space. So let's head inside and let's have a peek what we can see, and we'll really detail what really makes this trailer special. Now the interior of the 273RL is really a rear lounge trailer at its heart. It has a lot of windows, huge windows all the way around. So you have literally from right beside the door, sweeping all the way across the back, big huge windows on the back and on either side for cross ventilation, as well as all the way around on your slide. So you actually have windows on the front facing and the rear facing portion of your slide as well. On the rear there, you have some drawer space and some overhead storage space. Really nice for just really tucking things away. A lot of kind of just spaces to take things out of the way, and small stuff too that it doesn't really have to kind of jar around anywhere else. You have two rockers and swivelers on the rear, as well as your jackknifing couch, which also has a cup holder armrest there in the center too. That's in your super slide. Your super slide has a lot of accommodations too. You have your jackknifing couch and your booth dinette. And your booth dinette has storage under each one of the banquettes as well. You have a huge farm sink, stainless steel farm sink, as well as a 3-burner stove, oven, and microwave, and a hood right there. Really easy access accommodations too. Your big fridge is right next to that, super easy and at hand, and your pantry is right next to the fridge. The pantries are deceptively deep. Literally stick your arm in all the way, and you barely touch the wall by really just reaching too. Your big television is right front and center, and that's going to be on an articulating arm as well. That can really face whichever direction you need it to, kind of come out and kind of articulate towards the dinette, articulate so you can see a little bit better from the rear as well. And that's with your Furrion sound system. The Furrion system, it's Bluetooth capable. You can really plug and play really whatever you want. So USB plug in, you can take a Chrome stick, Amazon Fire, really just plug it right in and just play whatever you have for your accommodations. Big barreled roof, and you have great vented heat and ducted AC throughout the entire trailer too. Now let's head a little bit further down and get into the bedroom, and we'll see what there is to see. Now the bathroom on this has a great accommodations. We have your vanity with a mirror, as well as some great storage beneath the sink. You have a corner shower with the shower booth, so you can actually place a little bit of weight against the shower door. You don't really have to really rely on your balance perfectly when you're in there doing a little bit of shower yoga. You also have above the toilet itself, you have some hooks as well as some space to put any linens you need to keep at hand, which is really, really nice. The nice bowed Skylight above the shower adds a little bit of extra headspace for people who are taller, and it really makes the space keep nice and bright as well. Now, if you head into the bedroom, one thing to note too is that solid doors between each of these spaces too. So really great division of space. So solid door between the bedroom and the main space, and the bathroom closes off by itself as well with its own solid door. Now, in the bedroom, you have a queen walk-around bed, and on either side, you have really tall, really long closet spaces as well. A big, huge open storage space underneath the bed. You just lift it up, and you have access to that really easily. As well as on top of the bed, you're going to have some reading lights, really nice touch and play reading lights there for you, as well as some extra accommodations for anything you would like to keep at hand above your head too. A big window on one side of the bed, right opposite the door, and that's going to be your exit window, as well as a really great kind of just breeze window as well. And put this all together, you get a really nice rear lounge unit in the 273RL. Any questions about this trailer or any other trailer we have on lot, or really any brands that we carry, drop on by and say hello. My name is Jake, or drop me a call, 773-655-7190. See you soon.